Here we have our TDC-5100, and as you can see, I pulled up the lights, and here is the individual controls. So here I'm controlling our overhead lights, which is, you can see on our dimmer over here. And then we have our artwork ambient light. That was our switch. That's why that LED came up very quickly. And then we have our sconces, which is on this one here. And you can see this is a much slower ramp rate. I can also do the scenes off of the dimmer switch itself. So here's some of the really cool things. I can actually use the configuration button for scenes. So in this situation, I can hit that one button, and you can see now that all the lights the LEDs are going down. I can also now do scenes off of the paddle button. So if I actually do tap up twice, all the lights go on. Do it twice down, all the lights go off. Up to 21 different scenes can be done and configured on the actual dimmer or light itself. And then I can also configure it to not only turn off the lights, but actually to fire off a command to turn off all my audio video equipment in my theater as I'm leaving the theater. So I don't have to worry about hitting the button on the remote. I can just go up to the dimmer and actually hit this down twice, and it'll turn off my audio equipment and video equipment.